Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Immersion Blenders is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can own, seamlessly transforming your cooking experience with its ability to blend soups, sauces, smoothies, and more directly in the pot, saving you time and minimizing cleanup, making it a must-have for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. Today, we will explore the top Immersion Blenders on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Mueller Immersion Blender. Tired of lumpy textures? This powerful immersion blender makes quick work of mixing, blending, whisking, and frothing. Its slim design and powerful motor ensure perfectly smooth results every time. It comes with a stainless steel blending shaft, a frother for milk, and a whisk for whipping cream or batter. Everything you need to create a variety of culinary delights. This handheld blender features a turbo mode for extra power when you need it. The ergonomic grip and non-slip handle make it comfortable and easy to use. Simply attach your desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed as needed for perfect consistency. Cleanup is a snap. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe for your convenience. What we like? It has multiple attachments for versatile use, a turbo mode for extra power, and is easy to clean. If you need a versatile blender for various tasks and prioritize easy cleanup, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want convenience and efficiency in their kitchen. What people say. The Immersion Blender is fantastic. I've used it for making tallow soap and balm, and it blends everything down perfectly. The blades are sharp, and the power cord is long, which adds to the convenience. The multiple speed settings are also a great feature. I purchased this immersion blender to make blending tasks easier, particularly for refried beans, and it has exceeded my expectations. It's simple to use, with multiple speed settings that provide excellent control. The powerful motor blends ingredients smoothly and consistently, whether it's beans or homemade applesauce. What I love most is its versatility. Interchangeable attachments make it suitable for various tasks, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze. It's also well designed and sturdy, offering reliable performance every time. Fantastic purchase. It works better than I thought. It is wonderfully powerful. The device itself, chrome and black with dark blue lights, looks like it cost well more than twice what I paid. And it comes apart easily for washing. It is also easy to rinse clean since it does not have nooks and crannies like my last stick blender, so I don't have to go digging in to clean it out. Number 4. Mueller Multistick 800W Blender. It boasts a titanium steel, for blade system and an 800-watt copper motor. This crushes ice and pulverizes ingredients for perfectly smooth results, making cleanup a breeze. With 12 speeds and a turbo boost, you have total control. Create anything from salsas to smoothies with consistently smooth results, every time. It's more than just a blender. This includes a whisk, a 20-ounce beaker, and a 16-ounce chopper with a removable blade, making it a true kitchen essential. The comfortable grip and sleek design make it easy to use. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts and non-slip base add to the convenience. We're here to help. Contact us anytime via our toll-free number or live chat for assistance. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This one boasts a powerful motor and multiple speed settings for precise blending. It also comes with extra attachments, making it a versatile kitchen tool. If you need a powerful and versatile blender for various tasks and want precise control, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who value power and versatility. What people say. Works great. Was worried that bowl capacity would not be enough but hasn't been a problem yet. Powerful, lightweight, easy to use. Makes quick work of chopping, blending, mixing. I looked at a lot of immersion blenders, and I'm so glad I landed on this one. I love all of the accessories, especially the little milk foam whisk. This blender works great. The blades are sharp, it's durable and super easy to use. The immersion blender attachment works great, but remember not to use it on coated cookware just like any metal utensils. The single whisk attachment is handy for small whipping jobs. The chopper container is nice to have for small chopping jobs, but you do need to break things down a bit beforehand. Number 3. Electric Hand Blender 500W. It boasts a powerful 500-watt motor and 4 sharp blades. This makes quick work of even the toughest ingredients, from frozen fruits to tough meats. Need extra power? Just hit the turbo button for an added speed boost, perfect for those extra challenging ingredients. Cleaning is a breeze. The detachable base makes cleaning simple, and the blades are even dishwasher safe. Its slim, ergonomic design provides a comfortable and steady grip, allowing for easy blending directly in your pot or container. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal, it's built to last for years of reliable use in your kitchen. It's perfect for making smoothies, soups, purees, baby food, and so much more. This is truly a versatile kitchen essential. What we like? It offers a powerful motor and a turbo mode for tough ingredients. The detachable base makes cleaning simple. If you need a powerful blender for tough ingredients and value easy cleaning, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a balance of power and convenience. What people say. So easy to use and so easy to clean. I love that it easily comes apart to fit in the cabinet. The high-speed operation as described in my original review below still applies. However, this blender has enough power at the low speed selection that the blade spins at a slow enough speed that the flat disc effect is no longer apparent. It works very well on each setting and blends up what we need quickly. It also blends foods up thoroughly. We made a soup the other day and it made light work of beans and vegetables. The soup turned out very creamy without using cream. Number 2. Braun MQ505 MultiQuick 5. It's the Braun MQ505 MultiQuick 5, voted best in class by America's Test Kitchen. This immersion blender makes blending easier and more efficient than ever before. See how its unique bell shape and blades reduce suction, pulling food inward for a smoother result every time. Say goodbye to chunky textures. With splash control technology, it virtually eliminates splashing. Cleanup is a breeze, saving you valuable time. This German-engineered motor is perfectly balanced for powerful, long-lasting performance. You'll enjoy smooth, comfortable operation for years to come. Effortlessly switch between attachments to blend, chop, whisk, mash, and more. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use. The stainless steel blades, ergonomic handle, and 2 speeds make creating your favorite meals simple and fast. It's the perfect kitchen companion. What we like? This blender features a patented system for smooth blending and splash control for easy cleanup. The EasyClick system allows for easy attachment changes. If you prioritize smooth blending, minimal mess, and easy attachment changes, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who value precision and ease of use. What people say. Powerful, at 350W this can blend through walnuts, frozen fruit, and basically anything I throw at it. The whisk mounts eggs in a few seconds and fluffs mashed potatoes easily. Makes smoothies and soups velvety, even cream of asparagus that tend to be fibrous end up smooth. Made tomato bisque soup, this worked perfectly and quickly to grind whole tomatoes fine, easy to clean, great tool for kitchen. Number 1. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. It boasts a powerful 625-watt motor. This easily handles even the toughest ingredients, making your favorite recipes a breeze. Designed for ambidextrous use, it allows for easy one-handed operation. Add ingredients with your free hand while blending. 5 speeds and a unique 4-pronged blade give you total control. Achieve your ideal texture every time. The innovative bell guard prevents suction and ensures smooth blending. It also protects your cookware from scratches. It's versatile. Blend in any container with a 3-inch or wider opening. Use it with your favorite smoothie cup or mason jar. A long 5-foot cord provides ample reach. Enjoy dependable power wherever you need it in the kitchen. What we like? It has a powerful motor and allows for one-handed operation, making blending easy and convenient. It also offers precise speed control for various textures. If you value powerful performance, convenience, and precise texture control, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a powerful and user-friendly blender. What people say. This Vitamix immersion blender doesn't mess around. My old stick blender used to take forever. It would hum, sputter, and gently suggest things blend. This one? It dives into soups, smoothies, and sauces like it's training for a culinary triathlon. We're talking seconds, not minutes. It's like the blender equivalent of a Formula 1 pit crew, powerful, efficient, and shockingly quiet for something that absolutely pulverizes anything in its path. It's solid and well built too, none of that wobbly, plastic, I might die mid-blend feeling. The one-handed operation is smooth and the 5-speed control actually makes a difference. The 5-foot cord means I don't have to do blender yoga just to reach the pot. I love this, day 1. Already made a smoothie with frozen blueberries, kale and kefir. It powered through the frozen berries and tough kale with no problem, in a single stainless steel cup, super smooth result. This replaces a cheaper immersion blender that was returned after sucking liquid up into the shaft toward the motor. The Vitamix is much quieter and much better at liquefying fibrous kale than that one. Cleanup is super easy, just attach the blade wand, run under water to rinse, spray Dawn Power Wash on it, quick brush scrub, rinse, and you're done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.